Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about garden edging. And so, one of the things I love is a good raised bed. It makes my job so much easier to keep my plants together, to keep my soil nourished. And it's important to me that I use the right type of edging in order to keep my garden as organic as I can. So one of the things I like to use is a cedar plank. And so I can find that at my local garden supply or lumber supply store and have it cut to the lengths that I need so that I can assemble my raised bed and garden edging for just the way I want it. And so other people use a variety of different products. There's actually some recycled things. We can use recycled plastic that's made to look like lumber that some people use. People use cinder blocks and even railroad ties. But for me, many of those things may leach some chemicals into the soil and maybe not give me the purity and more organic soil that I actually like for my food and for my medicine and herbs that I like to grow. So for me, my favorite type of edging to use for the garden is always going to be the cedar plank. It's rot resistant, lasts for years and years, and the pests don't seem to get into it, and it's very easy to work with. So make sure that if you do your raised beds, for its convenience, for its just general charm and look, as well as the ability to keep good control over your plants and your soil quality, make sure that you get a type of edging for your garden that you really like to use that will keep your garden as safe as possible. And for me, it's always about the cedar planks. So please enjoy your gardening and get your garden edging for a raised bed today.